Welcome to Wallace & Son. This is our 2013 37,000 mile Defender 110. It's a 2.2, long wheelbase obviously being the 110. This one's had multiple upgrades to it, done in-house by us at Wallace & Son. This is our September 2013 on a 63 plate Defender 110. It's done just under 37,000 miles. Really good history. LED headlights, LED rear lights, limo tints on the rear two windows, updated seats from Land Rover in the first place. Black checker plate on the outside with the black bolts match. Interior upgrade on the leather on top of the dashboard. High level armrest in the centre. Recarpeted on the inside by us, and most importantly, it's had the Dynamat sound deadening all the way through. It's a really lovely condition vehicle. If you have any questions, please give us a shout.